people eating the average American diet today unknowingly consume more corn every day in one way or another than they would probably ever believe. Confused about the nutritional value of corn and whether or not it's bad for you? Well, then you are not alone. Today's video will discuss, is corn healthy? Surprising fact about its nutrition and benefits.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Is corn good for your health? When combined with other plant foods like beans, vegetables, and avocados, the nutritional value of corn has helped support growing populations, especially living in impoverished areas for many years. As a staple crop, it provides a high amount of important vitamins, minerals, fiber, carbohydrates, and important calories to millions of people every year. Health benefits. 1. Good source of antioxidants. Corn is surprisingly a high antioxidant food. Different color varieties of kernels signify various types of phytonutrients, combinations, and nutritional value of corn. The most popular type, yellow corn, is particularly a good source of carotenoid antioxidants, especially lutein and zeaxanthin. 2. High in fiber. Does corn make you poop? Like all vegetable and whole plant foods, it is a food that provides a nice dose of filling fiber. It has a high ratio of insoluble to soluble fiber. This means it has a various beneficial effects on the digestive system. Insoluble fiber is a type that moves throughout the digestive system unabsorbed and metabolized. 3. Slowly digested source of carbohydrates. Corn is a high in starch, which is a type of complex carbohydrate that supports steady energy levels. Unlike refined carbohydrates, which zap us on energy and are not filling for long, food high in starch and fibers are beneficial for controlling blood sugar levels because the fiber slows down the rate at which glucose is released into the bloodstream. 4. Naturally gluten-free. Although this vegetable is usually grouped together with other grain and used in similar ways, it is actually not a grain and doesn't contain any gluten. What's the deal with gluten? Consuming gluten is linked to many different negative symptoms, including digestive issues like bloating, cramping, diarrhea, constipation, fatigue, and skin problems. 5. Part of traditional diets linked to longevity and overall health. Today, levels of obesity, hypertension, insulin resistance are high among indigenous communities living in North America that have veered away from their traditional diet and started adopting a standard Western diet. So what do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.